I've been doing consulting for a premium car manufacturer for over 15 years now. This huge enterprise is moving really, really fast. The amount of data is just coming from the sensors in production in real time is so big, it's amazing. The data was prepared in PowerPoints on a weekly basis, so we wanted to eliminate that manual process. The Cognos Analytics actually provides tools for the business department that are so easy to use that they can prepare the raw data themselves. The business department we worked with planned a workshop for 7 days in order to show them how to use Cognos Analytics 11. And it took us just 1 day, and they captured the use and they captured the benefits. The top management with this tool has up-to-date, accurate data. They can steer 25 plants worldwide with a dashboard. They were able to easily move away from the PowerPoints and Excels on a weekly basis to a dashboard on daily basis. We're able to give the business department a data model which they actually can understand and use for their self-service. Now is the time, as everybody's happy, to actually go the next step and explore data. Use that artificial intelligence, use those insights, use the predictive part in order to understand and benefit even more from the data. IBM's role in taking the customer issues to their heart and to their development team is really outstanding in the software industry. That's what partnership is about, yeah.